What's going on, guys? It's Nick from Lively Outdoors. I'm out here at Thor. This is just going to be kind of a fun video for me. So I may release this, I may not, don't know. Y'all may not care about it. I stuck a Wilson Combat trigger in my Glock 19 and found some Trigicon HDXRs on Midway for like $60 off. So you may check that out. And then I've got my Remington TAC13. Shadows in the way. Little 6-shot, well, if you count the one in the chamber, 6-shot, 13-inch bad boy. So I'm just gonna play around a little bit. Y'all may see this video, you may not. It's just a fun video. Since I put the trigger in my 19, I am just gonna run my carry load in there because I know it runs with full metal jackets, but I want to run some of my carry load through there, so I brought 100 rounds today just to plink around with. But the Wilson trigger is phenomenal. I got the flat one. It's basically just a flat shoe with a standard trigger bar, but you got that much pre-travel. That sure would travel. I love it. It's a good tactile and audible reset if you're into that. All right, we got back here about 50. Alright, run up here a little bit, see what we got going on. I got one round left. Alright. Alright, so my carry ammo runs good. That was about 45 yards, so I do like this trigger. That's it. It's just a good clean trigger. I love this little bad boy. It's a older Gen 3. It's a 2017, I think, is when it was made. It's got the kind of battle worn finish. I'll have to aim a little low because that's 1,600 feet per second. One something out slow. So we'll aim. There we go. Peyote buckshot. Some Winchester Defender slugs. And just some 8-shot. So we're gonna stick some 8-shot in here to have a little fun at first. See what happens. American colors here. See what we got here. I like it. I like it a lot, guys. TAC13, Remington Tac13 semi-automatic 12 gauge, 6 rounds of badassery. If you can find one for a decent price, pick one up. They're kind of gone sky high now, but whew, let me tell you, I mean, that's slick, guys. I like it. I need it's got a Picatinny rail right here that you can put on it. I'm thinking about sticking like a TLR2 on there. That way I'll have a light and a laser. Just use this bad boy for home defense. Now I'll shoot a little buckshot, see what happens. I'll tell you right now, it's about half the recoil of the Shockwave. Not that the Shockwave had a whole lot of recoil, but it kind of did. But I mean, for what it is, it doesn't have a whole lot of recoil. And let's see, I want, yeah. All right. But this thing, I mean, you can shoot one-handed with birdshot easy. double op buck. Now we go play. Tell me that's just not an absolute beauty. I mean, look at this bad boy. Ooh, doggy. I mean, that's raw power, guys.